Happy Friday. This is Ernie, my teacher's assistant today, at least until he figures out that he's being recorded or just hears something and barks at it and leaves. So sorry that I have a habit of being loud. I'm not sure if you've noticed, but as I was listening to my screencasts back, I was like, holy crap. Oh, sorry. That was my little alarm. So here's the what. I would like you to read Eight Brief Tales of Lovers from Edith's. And just in case you don't happen to have your Edith's here or at home, I've done this. There are a couple of different options for online Edith's. Let's see if I still have these open somewhere. I think I do. This is the PDF one online. And you can see kind of secretly page 99. This is another full text one. Don't worry, you don't have to do a million things with scrolling. If you just type in like find and then 6 space 8 brief. Oh my gosh, we're right there. So those are 2 options that you have for being able to do the thing. Let's see. I will have you fill out. I should have actually saved the Padlet for today, if I'm being honest, but I just got a little bit excited about using it. So what I'm going to do today instead is have you take an online survey, kind of. It's not really a quiz, but it's a little bit, but also I want you to like make connections between some of these people and real life, because although she calls them lovers, some of them a little less like optimal than the others, and some of them are like, I don't know if you can call love that's being compelled as actual love, and then others you're going to find really familiar. And so I'm going to do the thing where you're going to get to take a little survey, but then also make the results page available to you so that you can see the different connections that each of you make. And you won't have to do that for every single one. I'm going to split it into like choice of clumps. You'll have a chance to see it. And then you'll be able to like take a peek at each other's stuff. And I think that's going to be the best way for you to be able to, anyway, now I'm just rambling. So look for that link. It's not on here yet because I need to finish making it. Hopefully all is well. Otherwise, go ahead and do this. By the way, for the office hours, if you get into any of your teacher's office hours, or if you like click the little link on PowerSchool and then pay attention to what's going on in this upper bar, that's actually like the permanent link to that teacher's live office thing. So that's another way that you can like access your office hours without having to go through PowerSchool. I think that they sent out a little email maybe about ways to let you know how to do that. But that, well, anyway, that's that. Hey, I hope you're having a good Friday. I hope that you're not feeling too cooped up, and I hope a whole bunch of other good things for you, and we'll talk to you later. Okay, bye. Whoops. Okay, bye for real now.